29th Annual Conference of the Karbi Lamermai underway at Arnam Langpi. Very good morning to you all and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live News. You're with Julie Baby with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. The long-awaited annual conference of the Karbi Lamermai, the Karbi Literary Apex body, got underway at the Karbi Cultural Society playground in Arnam Langpi on Wednesday. Lamet Amai Donri Rong Asar President Joy Singh Bey inaugurated the event, while the event venue was inaugurated by Rajendra Rongpi. Similarly, lodges, bookstalls and several venues for holding delegates and events were also inaugurated at 11 a.m. The event was attended by a huge number of people from across the districts and outside the district. According to the reception committee, several delegates and participants are expected to arrive in more numbers in the evening and this morning to participate at the biggest gathering of literature researchers, writers, elders, students and the youths amongst others. The organizers have also made fervent appeal upon the Karbi public for their continued support and participation at the ongoing annual conference, which will be concluded on Saturday. Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting, Karbi Anglong Live. Illegal felling of trees and its smuggling neighboring states and outside the hill districts continues unabated from across the twin Karbi Anglong Hill districts. The latest felling of trees has been reported from Dolamara. Altogether, 6 trees, all belonging to teak trees, vanished, falling under the Forest Board Chairman jurisdiction under the Dwarbaguri constituency. The trees under the protected area were reportedly cut down and smuggled out by unidentified smugglers on Tuesday night when rain hits the area.
Pada pena porsi di long ini bagi kemana porsi di long ini di mana lah official duty dah mau sini lepas itu dah dan itu mah ini kena antara staff ini jadi mana kan ya langsung tonton program tentu itu.
Asalnya itu long staff kan permanent staff.
Permanent staff ke non sudah mereka nilai kan. Dah lokal tu pun ke. Angpa ke bagi dok dah master ini bani tu dah domta. I am ke दूसरे चीज़
अच्छा दाके बीच चोट कली दाके forest range ते चलो ला पान staff के पाकोम के
लाके आहा था सोर बांग है सोर अतुम से जिनी
अंते ला पुसन बम बुलो ते ला बांग सो आइन नाम ला थे पिको अनजिर ding dolang अथे कांग हुके बताय बताय दुख पिकलो ते ताके नेप कांग नांग लोंग पुता नोन अंता अवे
इनन बहनी afang dulu kita la pen kom chalo sta pini tuwi pen aku pang cheng sure lo parang ni bang ke sam ri lo dapat tuwi pen aku subang nukok lu.
अच्छा दाग forest battalion ना तुम तो चलो ला तुम फाइनली तुम patrolling कौन पे में?
वो नीली permanent staff नीली में. तुम तो permanent staff अभी तो नंग 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 दे. नीली official काम लो मैकलेन दी, मंदिर की लो मैकलेन दी.
ते ला बंगसो का हुलाम का नाले तुम आंसो आप पचिनी लो पचिनी.
नीली non si कने official काम पे non si नानी ला. अच्छा नीली माला मको नीली higher official में थान तो.
अच्छा अंते ला कांग हुड़ा तुम के नाक तुम गिरी के ताल लिप दुई मावे.
दुई.
Locals allege that incidents of smuggling of trees have risen tremendously, but surprisingly, the forest departments have not been able to stop or arrest people involved in smuggling of timbers from Dwarbaguri areas. Locals also pointed out that the forest departments need to step up patrolling duties inside their constituency and across the hill districts. Further, locals pointed out that simply celebrating or observing World Environment Day is simply not enough, but step their activities on the ground related to hunting down forest smugglers and preventing felling of the trees. In addition to this, locals expressed their fears, stating that if illegal felling of trees and smuggling of timbers continue at this rate, and if the Forest Department under the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council fails to stop these illegal activities, then forests would completely disappear within the coming few years. RJ Sondrongpar's report from Dolamara, Karbi Anglong Live. In a latest success for the Karbi Anglong police, a 27-year-old man was arrested by the local police after recovering a rhino horn during an operation launched inside the Dilai area here on Wednesday. The operation was launched immediately by a team of Karbi Anglong police after receiving a tip-off about the illegal activities related to rhino horn at about 2 p.m. The police team which launched the operation was led by Bokajan SDPO APS Jondas, who was accompanied by APS Deputy SP Nahid Karishma, CI Barpathar Inspector Bhupen Kalita, OC Dilai SI Raju Bahadur Chetri and OC Manja SI Jitumoni Deka. Following this, a 27-year-old man from Tinsukia village under the Nagaon district identified as Arif Jakaria, son of Ibrahim Ali, was arrested after recovering one rhino horn weighing about 390 grams from his possession. During preliminary interrogation, the arrested man revealed to the police that the horn was supposed to be sold in Dimapur.
Rhino horn dealing over. तो ये मन में हमारा कार्य में मुझे सजोइन टीम तो अपना डीएसपी हेडक्वार्टर नाइट पुलिस मार्शल सीआई बरपत्र भूपेन कलिता ओसी दिलाई राजू बहादुर छेत्री ओसी मानजा जितुमनि डेका गोटेটো टीम লগ হৈ পিনে এটা অপাৰেচন কৰা হৈছিল তো যত্ন এজন আৰিফ জাকাৰিয়া বুলি মানুহ এজন আমি কৰাক্ট কৰিছো তাৰ পৰা পজিশনৰ পৰা এটা গৰ খৰগ এটা ৰিকভাৰি হৈছে এটো 390 গ্ৰাম আছে
সব বস্তু কৰপৰা আনি আছিল বুলি গম
এটো বস্তু তেখেতৰ ঘৰ নগাঁও আছিল তো এটো জুৰিয়া পৰা আনি আছিল
और रिकवर तो डिलाइट হৈছে না স্যার
হয় ডিলাইট
স্যার তেওঁলোকে কি কিবা বাহন ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল নেকি
নাই তেনেকুৱা বাহন আন নাছিল আমি বাহন একো পোৱা নাই বৰ্তমানলৈকে তো ইন্টাৰভিউ চলি আছে
Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that was all we have for this morning. I'm Julie Baby signing off for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.